Write a quadratic equation having solutions square root of 11 and negative square root of 11. What we're going to do is work backwards through the solution process. So we'll start by writing, we would have x equals the square root of 11, or x equals the negative square root of 11. Now if this was true, if we subtract the square root of 11 from both sides, we would get x minus the square root of 11 equals 0. Or, here adding square root of 11 to both sides, x plus the square root of 11 equals 0. Now we would have gotten to this point by using the principle of zero products. If this is true, then one factor in our equation would be x minus the square root of 11, and another factor would be x plus the square root of 11, and that product would be 0. So now we have an equation, and if we multiply this, we would have x squared minus 11 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation that has the given solutions.